Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're unboxing and reviewing this little Parkside cordless rotary tool from Lidl. Let's dive right into it. First, let's take a look at the packaging. It's compact, it shows off the tool, some basic information, the accessories it includes, and pictures of it being used. Let's open it up. Inside the box, we've got the rotary tool itself, a variety of accessories, a manual, and a charging cable. Let's take a closer look at each accessory. I'm not really sure if the sanding bands fit tight enough on the drum, but that's easy enough to check later. When you mount something in the chuck, you need to tighten it to the maximum before you're able to push the button to fully secure it. To turn the Dremel on, you need to hold the on button for a bit, then push it again to start the machine. The lower button cycles between 4 speeds. Pushing the on switch again fully turns off the device. You don't have the option to quickly turn it off and on again. Let's test it on this cheap, soft cutting board. The sanding band immediately fell off. I'll check if there's a fighter one. It seems to be outputting decent power, judging by how much material it took off. Next, we'll try to bore a hole. Let's see how it handles this. Looks like it's stalled. Let's clear it out and try again. Alright, cleaned out the hole and giving it another go. And there we have it, a clean hole through the board. I got this tool for a small project. I'll renovate an old walnut cutting board that's been in my family for a long time. The only purpose for this tool is to sand the hard-to-reach places where the handle meets the board. I think this tool is definitely good enough for that. If I needed it to use a rotary tool more often, I don't think I'd get this. Yes, it is cheap, but the battery is tiny, and turning it on is a huge hassle. So, what do you think of the Lidl 4 volts cordless rotary tool? Thanks for watching. If you found my video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these. See you next time.